Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to get Telegram Premium for free, legitimately. Yes, no hacks, no shady tricks, just real ways to enjoy those premium features without spending a dime. Let's dive right in. First up, free trials. Telegram occasionally offers free trials to promote their premium service. Keep an eye on your Telegram app notifications for any special offers. Next, let's talk about promotional campaigns. Sometimes Telegram teams up with other companies to offer free premium as part of a deal. It could be part of a contest, a giveaway, or even a bundle with another service. Did you know that Telegram lets users gift premium subscriptions? If you have a generous friend or family member, they can send you a free premium plan. You could even win one in giveaways hosted by creators. Now here's a quick warning. Never trust third-party websites or apps claiming to unlock premium for free. These can put your account and personal data at risk. Always stick to official methods. So there you have it. Real ways to enjoy Telegram Premium for free. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.